If we look at the Dr. Adrian Zhan's research based on Chinese statistics and the data on birth rates in 2019, and it reveals that 97% of women of childbearing age or marriage age in Khotan and Kashgar. Khotan and Kashgar is heavily populated with the Uyghurs, and they could not or would not deliver a baby, not having a child. Again, Uyghur women are also suffering under forced labor policy. Mainly young Uyghur women, between some of them are even 14 or 16 to 40 or 35 years old, are transferred or recruited for factory work outside of East Turkestan in inland China, and forcibly they were separated from their own community, from their own population and the male partners and from their own people. And many years they could not come back. Some of them are disappeared over there. So that's also reduced Uyghur women's contribution to population growth in Uyghur community.